Hi, I'm Brenda from the Avant-Garden Shop. Welcome to another episode of The Garden Gate. Today I'm here with Brigitte Gall of TheOccurrence, which is a new puzzle company that we have, and we're really happy to have them. And Brigitte, tell us a little bit about your company.
For sure. So we are based in Haliburton. All of our puzzles are either photographs we've taken, Canadian artists, or Canadian vintage catalogs and various things that we've found and restored.
Neat.
Thanks.
I
love that one.
Love the vintage look.
Yeah, me too.
And then this is...
So this is the board. So people often ask, are your puzzles as good as Ravensburger or Cobble Hill?
Right.
Yes. So this board comes from the Netherlands.
Right.
It's called Eska board.
Eska board.
It's really thick, and then all the prints that we make are on satin paper.
Right.
And they're all printed
beautiful,
in-house.
yeah. And the pieces fit together really nice, which is always great.
Very important.
And all these vintage images, these cool images. We've got some craft beer. And then this one is really neat. This is from a very famous band, the Strumbellas.
Yeah, they approached us and asked us if we could do their album covers. So
that's awesome.
We did a number of their covers.
All the beautiful art, like the nature art that you've got. We have a little sample here of how these pieces fit together.
Yeah, I think post-pandemic you'll find a lot of people now, because they did so many puzzles, they're very particular about how those pieces fit and how they feel. So yeah, I like to leave some of these out so people can really, you know, see that they're
There's
really
nothing
sturdy.
worse than making a puzzle and you run your hand over it and all of a sudden all the pieces fall apart. And it's just so frustrating.
It's like doing a puzzle with potato chips.
Yeah, that's right. No thanks. Well, thanks for joining me. And if you want to come and see some of these beautiful puzzles, drop by and we'll help you choose a really nice one. Thanks for joining me on The Garden Gate, and thank you, Brigitte, for joining me.
Thank you.
The Garden Gate is brought to you by the Avant-Garden Shop, your destination for garden accessories and backyard birding supplies. Sherbrooke Street, downtown Peterborough.